gonna replace the cabin air filter on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Glove box open. Disconnect the damper. Just pull on it like that. You have these stoppers here. Go ahead and push the glove box in. I'm gonna push the glove box down while you do that. Same thing on the side, and then the glove box it will come down. Get in here. Take this door off here by pressing this tab in. Pull towards us. The door will come right off. Very simple. Grab the filter, pull it out. We get our new one here, and if you check our new one out, it says airflow. It's always going to be down. Okay. Put the new one in like that. Get this door, and the door. If you put it in the correct way, that side goes in first, the side on the left. Locks into that little tab there. Press it on, lock it like that. Okay. Now if you need a filter, check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. You can get the glove box, just close it. Damper, and just go boop. And you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe.